Hi there, Melody from WTI. And do you know what this is? This is your special treasure, your special new find, the Bentgo box. This is so cool for so many reasons, and I'm going to show you why. So first of all, don't be stuck on the color. It comes in a lot of different colors. It comes in different sizes and styles. But today I'm going to talk to you about this one. This Bentgo is the Kids Chill. And let me tell you why we love it so much in our house. So this 3-piece Bentgo box comes with a 4-compartment tray with a 1 1/3 cup, a 1 cup, and 2 1/2 cups. So it's be the perfect portion for the little guy, little girl. I love that it has this removable ice pack, so that way you don't need to worry about buying extra ice packs that kind of get all moved around and take up room in the lunch kit themselves. You just freeze me, like it says, because it's an ice pack. Really cool. I also love the leak-proof seal that prevents messy spills, the molded rubberized edge that resists wear and tear when it's dropped. I love that the food tray is microwavable safe, dishwasher safe, and I love that it has a 2-year warranty. Who wouldn't want one of these awesome Bentgo boxes? Run out and get your own treasure, whether it's for you or it's for one of your kids. My kid loves it. I mean, that's what we want. We want our kids to love what they eat and love what's holding what they eat. Anyways, I'm happy with my treasure. Go find yours. That's my point of view.